Story time. A monkey and a baby gorilla. This is a short story brought to you by Sane, author, Sane, audio, Sane. So here we go. A monkey and a baby gorilla. There was a monkey and a baby gorilla who wandered beyond the Monty Gate and into the Wordmuktrue forest. It was a beautiful forest with lots of beautiful trees and plants. The sun shone perfectly through the leaves on the trees, creating lots of shadows on the grass. The wind blew and the trees and the shadows waved and flowed, and the monkey and the baby gorilla danced on top of the shadows for hours until they couldn't stand. They were exhausted, so very tired, but they were not ready to go home just yet. The baby gorilla lied on her back, singing, and the monkey fell asleep. And while sleeping, he made a wish. To be continued? Maybe. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Holla at you.